English for public transport. Learn basic phrases. Buying a ticket. Hello. I need a ticket to New York. One way or round trip? One way, please. That will be $3. Here you go. Thank you. Asking for directions. Excuse me, where is the bus stop? It's over there, near the shop. Thank you. Which bus goes to New York? Take bus number 10. Thank you very much. On the bus or train? Does this bus go to New York? Yes, get in. Thank you. How much is the ticket? $2.50. Here you go. Getting off the bus. Excuse me, where do I get off for New York? The next stop. Thank you. Can you tell me when to get off? Sure, I will tell you. Thank you. Problems. Excuse me, I think I am lost. Can you help me? Yes. Where do you need to go? I need to go to New York. Take the next bus number 5. Thank you very much. Now you know how to buy a ticket, ask for directions, and travel by bus or train. Remember to always be polite and say, thank you. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you next time.